Okay, back with Purple Sammy again. Remember a couple videos ago, we did these cool headlights, but never got to turn on because apparently Suzuki and I guess apparently some other Japanese manufacturers in the 90s, they use a, what was it, a negative? It's like the opposite of what most cars should be. Instead of having, it always has positive power going to it, and then like when you switch it, the negative turns on, but all these lights are made differently. So if you're putting in Jeep headlights on your Samurai, you got to make sure that you're gonna have to put in some relays and stuff. So I bought this on Amazon. It's a online LED store. It was $20. Otherwise I would have done it myself, but I think for 20 bucks, like the materials would have cost me 20 bucks to make this. It's pretty nice, like wiring. It's all has split loom and stuff on it, which is nice. Has your 2 relays, your plugs, everything for 20 bucks. So hopefully it works all right. So basically you just gotta mount this in here. I took the battery out because I'm gonna mount it here, I think, if I can find some small nuts and bolts. And then, oh, well maybe not, because that's not gonna reach. Oh wait, this has a plug. So I gotta make sure everything fits first, because this one's gonna need to plug into this headlight. And it's kind of cool because you eliminate all this crappy old wiring that's in here anyways. Oh my god. Okay. So maybe I can't mount it there because this isn't long enough. I guess that's the positive of making your own, because you can kind of figure it out. So, nope, that's fine. Seems good to me. I can go underneath. So that's cool. And this has stuck with the battery. All right, let's, do you have any small nuts and bolts?
Yeah, I'll have to go look.
Okay, let's go find some small nuts and bolts. I'll videotape you looking at nuts and bolts.
Maybe I'll definitely watch that.
The storm's coming in again today.
Hey, you see the clouds over there on the wall pile look pretty nice.
That'll look pretty good. It's nice. I get some, oh yeah, it's really building up over there. Dude, it was dead clear this morning. Scenery for you. Yeah. Pretty cool. Nuts and bolts. Nuts and bolts. And lock washers, we got them, will be cool too.
I definitely have that.
Well, lock washers are the right size would be cool. Oh, you got 9 locks. Oh, this is an open now. Oh, okay. Nice. Gotta find a bolt that'll fit now. I guess you should have bought one of those little, they had kits of bolts, little tiny bolts and stuff too. That'd be a good thing to have.
Yeah, realize that.
What was that, like $5 or something?
Yeah, it was only $4.99 or some shitty price.
Harbor Freight's the best and the worst. Oh, let's see here. Yeah, dude, 9 locks. Awesome. So, probably something like this. If I can find one that goes onto this. I got one here. Let's find some.
There's one already. Look at that. It's even a Allen head.
I want that. That's a pain in the butt to take off. I don't carry Allens with me. That looks too long. You don't have any good bolts, dude. What the heck?
Sure seems thinned out.
Well, it's not for me. You thinned me out with your stupid Samurai. Ooh, this one's got a lock nut in already. But it's shouldered, so that doesn't help me at all.
Shoulder's not that big. That shoulder would work.
No, it wouldn't. It's
going through the metal and the relay.
Yeah, the relay is thinner than this.
Is it?
Yeah.
What
the heck is this? Oh, it's like for plug wires or something?
Yeah.
But only 3 of them?
Yeah. There's a 2-1 right there.
Wow, that's fancy.
Another 2-1.
I mean, the nuts that are on these,
That's a good one.
Is it? Is that the right nut? 'Cause it isn't. Yeah, I guess so. I'd prefer something besides a Phillips though, because I have to back it up on the other side.
Oh yeah.
And I guess I could use a Phillips, but that's just crappy. That's a Phillips. Come on, dude.
It's a pretty bad selection.
Like this, that's Phillips too. All these ones are like too long. Like these would probably work, but they're way too long. So it looks stupid.
It's gonna hit your battery. You have to cut it.
Well, I'm gonna put them pointing out the other side.
Well, you don't want to cut them anyway. You want it sticking out.
No, you don't want to cut them because you can never take them off again. They'll be all marred up. Come on, dude. All right, we'll be back when
find something.
Find something. Yeah. There's probably good. on there. What?
You want to film or you want to do it?
I don't know what we're doing.
It's your project.
I don't know, use a
You're
crazy,
the host of the TV show.
crazy drill. I don't know what to do with this. Put it in my pocket. It's mine now. And you put it in your pocket. Dang it, I put the other stuff in my pocket. Okay. God, your drill bits are all nasty, dude. You do these poor things.
It's one of those drilling into the Chevy with.
I don't want to touch them. How are you supposed to get these out?
Yeah.
You gotta use the sharp.
The only negative thing, you need a tool to get your tool out. It's the only negative thing I can say about those drill bits. Otherwise, they're great.
Of course, it's the wrong one. What was that?
I don't know. Something fell. Uh-oh.
Great. Fucking windstorm.
Oh, that wasn't bad.
It's bad enough. Okie dokie. I don't know what fell. It sounded like something fell. I don't know what it was.
We'll find out on the ground later.
Alright. Proper way to do this would be to mark and not use your hand as a backing. Nice drill, dude.
You didn't tighten the bit down.
Definitely did. Look at overpowered.
So, yeah, no, the battery, it kicks out because of the amperage.
Really, my hand is stronger?
Well, yeah, it's not a what do you call it?
Okay. There we go.
Perfect.
Good enough. And then that one. Dang it, it got a little crooked, but whatever. It's like a tight space, dude. Nope, nope.
You can do it?
No, I need a center punch or something, dude. I'm not doing this right. Just kind of hold it in place with a relay. Oh my god, seriously? There's a hole there. Dude, that is not working.
Nice.
Well, not really, they're not even. But whatever.
We're gonna see it under the hood.
It's not going to SEMA, so.
As long as the headlights work.
Oh, what? Now I can't get this off? Oof, jeez. Yeah, is that even big enough? Fuck's sake. Sucks, man. Better fit now or else, I swear to God. Nope. Dang it, I'm just screwing this up.
Use step drill.
I should. Probably wouldn't fit in there now. I guess I gotta get a bigger bit out. Ow. Cut my finger on this. The next one up is like way huge compared to that one. This thing is sharp.
Tools are dangerous.
Covered with oil. Should wipe them off when you're done or something. Well, that just went in like no problem. I swear I looked at it like you put this behind the bit to make sure that it covers it all up, you know?
That looks right.
And it did. Oh my god. What is going on, dude?
You're off by 2 sizes. I guess step it.
That doesn't even make any sense, dude. Step bit's not really gonna work. Because I'm doing it at a weird angle too. It's like, I also want to take all this crap out.
Well, you drill from the backside where the battery goes.
I don't want to do that. I just want to get this done. It's hot as heck.
It's bacon.
My camera's probably gonna shut off. There's like no resistance, so
They're
sure
trying
it's
to charm though.
probably not. Hey.
Nice. Just like factory.
Yeah, better than factory because this thing came with like no relays at all. I guess they thought it was unnecessary. Surprised it even came with fuses or anything.
Yeah, how the hell they make it work then? That's weird.
I guess that's why they use the negative switching or whatever the hell it is.
Save 10 cents per car.
Probably. It's only a 10-cent car anyway, so. I'm probably gonna need an extension on this, I'm now realizing. Maybe not. Let's see. saying that, but you never get one. I don't know why. Alright. Got here a little bit. What did you do through a bit? There we go. What? Why is this one out now? I didn't even touch this one. God damn it. Worst thing ever. Okay. Let's wrap out of my way. Alright, where's the instructions? Begin by verifying that your vehicle employs a negative switched headlight circuit. Sure. Install your new headlights. Wait, all the pictures. I can't read all that stuff. Here we go. Red wire and 30 amp fuse wired to battery power. Oh, comes the fuse and everything, dude.
Nice.
Let's go put the battery back in now.
Well, it's not like it was mounted or anything, so.
Yeah. You don't need battery tie downs.
Especially when you're wheeling.
How the hell? Perfect. Excellent. Yeah, I like literally just pulled these off my hand. They weren't even tight. That's good.
Well, it's a tiny motor. It doesn't require much energy.
Yeah. It's quick release. Okay. So, hopefully these are standard size. Nope. Why would they be? Okay, so this is gonna go here. Easy enough. Like them all facing the same way. Looks better.
Symmetry.
Well, I don't want it to look like yours, like crazy wiring. Well, not your crazy wiring, but with all of its crazy wiring everywhere. Okay, so power to the fuse. Step 3. Plug in the vehicle lighting harness. Excuse me? Talking about this thing? Where'd it go? Okay, there it is. I guess this is the one it wants me to plug it into, right?
Makes sense.
Seems good enough. So I guess you can't eliminate all of your wiring. Tuck that away. Tuck this away.
Yeah, black one too. The black one. Oh, never mind.
That, I don't know where that goes, but it's stuck over there, so.
Good.
Okay. Number 4. Okay, so plug in the headlight. So I got that headlight plugged in. It says yellow, but these are clearly orange. So, thank you, online LED store, for not knowing what colors are.
Just lost them as a sponsor.
They're not my sponsor. I paid for this. Nobody's gonna sponsor this terrible, terrible channel. Alright, let's see. 5. Black wires connected to a clean chassis ground. Well, that should be easy, right? In theory. Do I have anyone around here I could...
Well, it's gonna be over here.
Well, both of them have one.
Oh, shit.
So, right here looks good. That one already has a ground on it.
Perfect.
Fortunately, though, that's gonna be a 10 because that's an original mold. All I have is a box end. Yeah, patch this up too. Should put some flex tape on there.
Something.
Fortunately, I don't have any flex tape.
We should buy it and try. The ultimate test.
Yeah, and we're like, that's a lot of damage. Yeah, is this getting looser? Yeah, okay. I'll just jam that in there with the other rusty stuff. Come on. Nope. Let me get a
Sorry?
half figure. Oh no. Ah! Ah!
That's damage.
That's a lot of damage. This should have went underneath here, actually.
You can like...
Yeah, they gave you zip ties, actually. So they supplied you with zip ties, which is nice. The steering box has junkyard numbers on
Do
it.
you want to go underneath this one first, though?
Probably. And then I'll forget to put it under this one.
I can definitely say I'd buy this kit too, man. It seems pretty easy.
For 20 bucks, like I said, I can't even buy the materials for this for 20 bucks.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure.
Pretty decent.
Oh yeah, almost forgot to do this now. And plus you have to sit there and make it. It takes time.
Yeah.
I'd rather have someone in a factory in China make it for me. Look, this might be made in the USA. I'm not sure. go saying stuff about it if it's not true. I do have one on the side, but it's hard to get to. Watch till I find out these headlights are defective and it's too late to return them.
Been too long.
Yeah, that could
Sounds about right.
certainly happen. That's why you should always install your parts immediately. Okay. Should be it, right?
Yeah.
Let me double check these instructions. Shouldn't miss anything critical.
Check.
Yep. Seems good to me. Just slap this on. Watch out for fire. That thing is very loose. These terminals just don't fit, dude, like the new ones. So that's the fuse. You could just dangle wherever. Ready for the big reveal?
Yeah. Nice. 100%.
Oh, dirty though. Ugh, doesn't clean up very well. Hey, that's pretty nice.
Yeah, take it out at night.
Huh?
Take it out at night. See what it does.
People are complaining these aren't very good lights. Low beams? Wait,
Nothing.
oh wait, the high beams are. How would you do high beams?
Yeah, there you go, low. Yeah, because only centers are on now.
Oh, so these are the low beams. Oh, that's cool. It's like a little dash.
Yeah.
Dude, sweet. Here, let me see that. Let me do a. Filling up on card.
Yeah, get that emblem in the middle.
You switch them back to high.
Is it a flick or a turn?
It's a flick, I guess. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Cool. All right. Well, that was like super easy. All the rest you got to do is to zip tie some of this stuff. Actually, there's like little factory tie things right here.
Oh, a little bendy thing.
You just bend that right in there, and probably one for the other side too. Nope. Good enough for me.
One zip tie, not bad.
Seems good to me. All right, well that's how you do it. So yeah, if you have one of these and you're buying Jeep lights on Amazon, it's what, 20 bucks, online LED store or whatever. Super easy install. Give it a thumbs up. Catch you later.